very forward portion, we have the orbiter docking structure, which serves as our structural interface to the space station at docking, as well as an external airlock. Along the side of the payload bay on the port side, we have the shuttle robotic arm that we'll use for a number of tasks, as well as to grapple the orbiter boom sensor system on the starboard side, which we'll use for the on-orbit inspection activities. In the center of the payload bay, we have the integrated cargo carrier with a number of payloads that will be briefed here later by our launch package manager and ESA counterpart Daniela and Doug Rarick, as well as the Columbus module, which is our primary mission objective. With that, I'll move into the mission timeline summary. Flight day 1, we have our standard launch day activities as well as our post-insertion, where we convert Atlantis from a launch vehicle to an orbiting spacecraft, open the payload bay doors, and start to unstow a number of items in the cabin. On flight day 2, we have our thermal protection system inspection activities. We have a video that we can roll as far as what the inspection activities involve. Once we grapple the orbiter boom sensor system, we maneuver it over to the starboard wing and start to scan the reinforced carbon-carbon along the wing to ensure that any debris that may have been liberated during the launch phase didn't create critical damage. Following the starboard inspection, we maneuver the boom over to the nose cap, scan the nose cap, and once that's complete, we maneuver over to the port wing, gathering some crew cabin imagery of the tiles around the windows as well as the thermal blankets before going to the port wing, completing a standardized scan pattern there as well. Once that's complete, we put the boom back in its stowed configuration.